So, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to make a tortillas, a new recipe. I have never done this. So, last time we went to I just make it. Last time we went to Burger King, like we always do every Saturday, and we have. I think you have seen my videos also. We have tested the tortillas, and my children too. They loved it. So I was thinking maybe I'll do that today, and we're going for picnic. So I'm going to do that. I've just seen some little bit in recipe in YouTube, and now I'm going to do that. I have butter this much. I didn't measure it. I just according to what I've seen, I'm doing it, and it's around 600-700 grams of flour. This is baking soda. I'll put it. Baking soda. Little bit of salt, that it has got some taste. Not much, because like I've said, I don't like much salt. And I'll put this butter so that it stays soft. So now I'll put, this is warm water. I'll put it like that, and I'll start mixing it. I have to climb up, otherwise it's too. So I will mix it until it gets smooth. So I'm continuing doing it until it gets well smooth. See, it's not yet smooth. Maybe around 10 minutes. The more you do, the better, because it gets very soft. Since I have to make it 10 minutes, I'm going to make it with robots. On the robots, just turn by itself for around 10 minutes. It does very well, so I don't put high speed. So it'll do its work. So this is I love this robot. It helps me a lot. I can do the whole thing from the beginning till the end, but sometimes I just want to touch the flour, so I do it with hand, and then I put it here so that it'll continue mixing it for 10 minutes. So while the dough is making, I'm cooking this chicken breast, just grilling it a little bit. I'll do it to mix it, to put it in tortillas. We can do with beef too, but last time I tested with chicken, it's not bad at all. So I'm going to do it with chicken breast. This is a chicken breast. I cut it into half. My husband loves chicken breast. That's got lots of proteins, less fats. So I think this is a very good mix. Okay, so I'll let it cook slowly in a very low flame for maybe until it gets cooked. So I've already added salt and the black pepper to the inside. So it's cooking at 10. Okay. So now I'm grilling the onions to put it in my tortillas. See, this is the chicken breast already finished. Now this one I will just cook it, grill it until it gets brown and dry, a little bit dry. See, crunchy until it becomes crunchy, if possible. Crunchy onions. So I'll do that. I'll put some little salt and pepper. So I have prepared this one. This one had 10 pieces. I'm going to make it. I'm just going to make it round, and after that I'll cook it in the pan. It's already started warming, so I'll do that with this one. We'll start doing that. So I'm doing like a roti, see, a little bit of oil so that it won't stick. I just put a little oil before putting this one, just little. So now it's like a roti. It's not that brown, but it's okay because I will cut it afterwards. So now see, it's very soft. This one is done. I have to let it cool down so that otherwise it's hard. So now it's ready. See, I have 10. This is for tortilla. It's becoming soft. Now I have to take out the machine. This is the machine. Just to grill it. Up. See. This is the machine to cook. Run and connect it. It's off directly, so on directly. So I'll do it afterwards when everything is assembled. So now everything has been. I bought everything to put it in the tortillas. So what I'll do is I'll cut it in the middle here. So it well cut. I'll put sauce. I made it a sauce with the ketchup and the mayonnaise together. Just put a little bit here. Then after that I put meat here. This meat. Then this one. Then I put a little bit of this is at the end here and a little bit of this one and salads here, not so much, otherwise it'll be too full. So now let's go. I turn it one by one, each steps here and here. So you see this is ready, so I'll just cook it there once it's done. For now I'll keep it here. So let's continue doing it. Let's continue doing it from the middle. From the middle here. Well separated. I'll put the sauce. This is a very easy sauce. I just mix the ketchup and the mayonnaise. Then same thing, same procedure here. This is a cucumber. Small cucumbers stored in a vinegar. So this one here. Then this is a cheese for hamburger cheese. So I'm using this one. It's very tasty. So I put it in the last so that it doesn't, because when it gets hot, I'm going to grill it there. So that it doesn't go. So let's go. Same thing, same procedure. Here, and here. So see, it's ready. So now continue. I have forgotten to put the onions, the one I cooked here. See, these onions, I added it in the others. So this with onions above the meat, it's better. It gives lots of taste. So let's continue. So here my tortillas are ready to be grilled in that machine. Then at the same time I'm doing the French fries here. So it has to be cooked. It's good. I will put it in a thermo bag so that it stays hot, warm when we go to picnic. We're going for picnic. We put this one this way. I close it and I press it. So it's green. That means it's okay. I can go. Press it a little bit. See, this is one already done. Not that good because I pressed too much. So now I let it cook. It has to be green. When it's green, it's okay. And now I continue cooking the French fries. See, it's becoming to be okay. It has to be brown, a little bit brown color. So the French fries is ready. I'll let it just filter the oil so that the oil will go down and dry a little bit. So it's getting ready. See, it's becoming very beautiful. It looks tasty. Here. So we're gonna eat. It's still cooking. I still have one and two, the last one. So this is the French fries ready. It's crunchy. See, it's crunchy. I'll put a little bit of salt. We eat with salt. Then I'll put some mayonnaise there in that. This is a bag for drinks and our utensils to put it. And this is for hot things. So now we are on the way to the park. So now I'm taking out the Tortillas, my
Des
tortillas. It
cornichons.
looks so tasty. They are going to judge how it is. Even me, I haven't tested it yet. So, tiens mon bébé, je te donne. Vous me dites si c'est bon ou pas. So, let's eat tortillas.
Bon,
Tiens, donne.
Pour l'instant, c'est pas mal.
trop pas mal.
It's a bit dry.
J'ai pas encore eu de tout, donc je peux pas encore.
For now,
Prendre.
just the first bite.
La
It's a
sauce
bit
n'a
dry.
pas tombé au fond, ouais.
But the taste
Pour
is
l'instant,
very
c'est pas
good.
mal.
The taste is very good, but it's a bit dry. I think I didn't put much sauce. Mange juste. Vas-y, vous pouvez manger devant la caméra.
J'ai technique. Et là Pour protéger.
Pour faire quoi?
Je sais
I should not put my phone under the sun. Not bad.
Pas mal du tout. Juste, c'est pas hyper homogène.
Ouais.
Là, par exemple, j'ai des cornichons quasiment qu'à la fin.
Si vous pouvez mettre du ketchup dedans, peut-être vous pouvez ajouter. Peut-être de
Non, c'est-
mayonnaise aussi.
pas. Ça ira pas bien avec, je pense.
J'ai mis sauce tomate, sauce barbecue, sauce burger, hein, mélangée avec les deux, les ingrédients.
Écoute, du beau fromage.
It's a bit salty for me. Since I don't eat much salt, I can feel the salt. But it's not bad.
Non, c'est pas mal du tout. Effectivement, peut-être un petit poil sec, mais bon.
Next time I have to put more.
Moi, aucun
Sauce.
problème.
He likes it.
C'est parfait.
Un petit peu plus de sauce, ça aurait mérité.
You like it? You liked it? Emeka, you liked it? Is it good? Good? They like it.